Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 22nd of November. We did a basket walk around, an octopole, a first move double step and salad tongs. If you need teaching information for any of those moves, links in the description below, and this clip will show you how everything went together. So we started with a basket walk around and it went like this. It went 7 and 8. Back, wrap, walk, walk, twist, twist, turn, face, return for the octopole, went over the guy, and face, over the lady, and face, 2 hands high, dip and turn, round again, and look, return for the first move double step, we came in, twist, bring lady to you, change weight, double step, twist out, exited with the salad tongs, a 1, 2, 3, catch, return and back. And that was the whole routine. Hope you find that helpful. If you do like what we're doing, then pop a like on the video, much appreciated. And if you want to know what's going on, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft, and there is a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. We'll see you next time.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.